Counter-Strike 2 just celebrated its first birthday, which made me wonder which of the available cases out there saw the best return since its release. If you're keeping an eye on the market, you'll probably know that nearly all of the cases went up since then, but which ones are actually the biggest gainers? Today I'll break this down for you. On the 5th spot, there is a Phoenix case with gains of 25%. After the CS2 launch, it quickly saw a steep downtrend like most of the cases, followed by a slight decline. Since the end of March, it was able to make up for these losses with gains of over 60%. Next up, there is the esports 2014 summer case with gains of 29%. This one actually didn't saw that mentioned drastic decline, but more or less a stagnation. Over the month of February to May, this was followed by a huge 68% uptrend. From May on, this case then started stagnating again. To be fair, I wasn't expecting the 5th and 4th spot at all, since I really don't think that both of these cases have much going for them. Nevertheless, before we continue with the 3rd place, let's take a quick look at today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by SkinsMonkey, a very easy to use automated CS2 trading site. Just pick the skin you want to get rid of and choose a new one to your desire. Click trade items and your brand new skin should be there in minutes. By using my code Lucas, you can even get up to $5 cashback on your first trade and a 5% deposit bonus on top of the 30% SkinsMonkey offers you for all deposits anyways. Even if you are not looking to trade right now, it's worth it to check out the freebies section where you have a daily, weekly and monthly try to get some cool new skins for your inventory. Link down below in the description. In 3rd place, there is a Horizon case with gains of 34%. In comparison to most of the other cases, this one actually went up by crazy 40% in not even a matter of a month after the initial CS2 launch. This really helped to compensate for the downfall afterwards. Since February, it then just saw a steady uptrend of 60%. On the next spot, there comes the Glove case, which has gained 39% since the CS2 launch. After the initial decline, it actually went on an uptrend fairly early in mid-November. Since then, it has really managed to gain nearly 100%. Before we now get to the number 1 spot, let's take a quick look at the worst performing cases. As I would have expected, the 3 biggest losers are all active duty cases. More precisely, they are the Fracture case with a 49% loss, the Recall case with 60% and the Revolution case with 70%. The active duty cases are naturally the most volatile ones, which doesn't help in difficult situations like we have with CS2 right now. Most of the players were and are still quite disappointed with the outcome of the game at release and with the update support afterwards. But finally, in the first place, there is a Spectrum case with gains of 42%. Like most of the other cases, it saw a downtrend after the initial release but managed to go only up from there. Its big uptrend then started at the beginning of February. Since then it had quite a few fallbacks, but none of them managed to stop this case from steadily going up in price. We have learned now that the biggest gainers since the launch of CS2 are mostly old or expensive cases. This probably comes due to the fact that these are the cases that are normally the least volatile ones during harder times. Moving forward, I think that we will see the biggest gains for the more desirable cases we received from 2015 to early 2020, especially for the ones that are sitting at a price point from just under 1 to 3 euro right now. This will include cases like the Prismas, Chromas, Gammas, Spectrums or Danger Zone case. And that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.